dak jing thmu ban wanrah ek shongsuk shongsaiñ hapo kishnong kibodon khappud bat kajala asam mutirang ba kajala Conrad ke sangma hakamit jong ka arpoi trik mentau nai nopra ulodon kajelang bot mutirang ba kajala asam Himanta biswasarma hakabai de bat kikam khappud bat kumju ru kajiatai sani ba halok shongsuk shongsaiñ habakren hakajelang bapli pai ba ek office bapura jong Shillong Press Club Conrad sangma lapan pau bahswa bakilat pathai kubor kin bat yu nak benta ban kli kabha ba unyathu bakaladon kajelang bot mutirang ba ka asam bat layakren sani ba kumnu panwanra ya shongsuk shongsaiñ bat simru ek sinjam ba ka ei kablaja hakithai khappud kan omjashu.
Because I know that you'll ask me questions about what the meetings are, what did I discuss with Mr. Himanta last night. So I'll just share with you that we had a good meeting. We discussed about the border issue, of course. We discussed about the incident that happened. We discussed about the fact that we need to take steps to ensure that this does not happen in the future and that there should be restraint from both sides and all the other factors to ensure that there is peace is there and no tension is there, especially in the border areas, so that it facilitates the entire process of taking the talks forward. So detailed discussion was done on that last night, and today also after this meeting I'll be having a small COVID review meeting, because as you know that in the entire country there is a concern about the COVID issues in terms of the outbreak in China, and I'd like to just share with you that all the cases that we are having with our state, the genome sequencing is being done for all of them. So it's already being done, and the positivity rate is very low, is almost negligible, and we are doing quite a significant bit of testing. But exact numbers, of course, I don't have with me. I'll have it after the the review meeting is done. And apart from that, as I said, it is also the year ending. So in the last 1 week's time, large number of funds has been released from the government side, whether it's for the salaries of the SSA teachers, whether it's the double salary for the government employees in terms of advance salary, whether it's the payment of the bills for the contractors, whether it's their share of royalty to the district councils, so on and so forth. A large sum of money in the last few days has been given to all the concerned organizations and departments and different stakeholders to ensure that this Christmas festive season can go off smoothly and happily for everybody. So the review for that also will be held after this meeting.